Tired of that boring default Salesforce banner? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to swap it for your own image. No fluff, no confusing menus, just a straight shot to a profile that actually looks like it belongs to your brand. Just follow these 5 simple clicks. Profile, profile again, camera icon, select image, and save. That is genuinely all there is to it. I have walked through this exact process more times than I can count, and I promise you, it is one of the quickest wins you will get in Salesforce all week.
So let us jump in. Start by clicking on your profile icon. This is the little silhouette or your avatar picture in the very top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Now, a drop-down menu is going to appear. This menu has a lot of useful options, like switching to a different app or checking your settings, but we are not going to touch any of that. We are just using this as our starting point. So go ahead and click that icon. Then click on your profile again. I know that sounds repetitive, but here's the deal. The first click opened a shortcut menu. This second click opens your full profile page. You will know you were in the right place because the whole layout changes. You'll see your name, your contact info, and right at the top, that big, wide, default banner image, just sitting there, looking very generic. This is exactly where we need to be to make the magic happen. Now, look for the camera icon on your profile picture and click it. And here is the really important part. Do not look for a camera icon on the banner itself. Look at your actual profile photo, the smaller circular image. When you hover your mouse over it, a tiny camera icon will appear right over that photo. That little camera is the key. In my experience, this is the step where most people get tripped up because they expect a big edit button somewhere obvious. It is small, but that is the button we need. Click it. A menu will appear. Choose Select Image to pick your new banner. This is where the fun begins. That drop-down menu will give you a few options, but you want the one that says Select Image. When you click it, it opens your computer or your network files. Now you can browse for the image you want. A quick practical tip here. Salesforce banners look best when they are wide and not too tall. I have found that images with a landscape orientation, something like 16 by 9 or wider, fill that space beautifully. If you use a tall vertical image, it might get cropped in a weird way. So pick something that fits and select it. Finally, click Save to apply the new banner image. This might take a second to process. Sometimes there is a tiny loading spinner and the page will refresh. When it comes back, you will see your new banner front and center. And that is it. You have just gone from a completely forgettable default setup to a profile that actually represents you and your brand. It is such a small change, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your Salesforce environment feels. Give it a shot and enjoy your new look.